Hi, I'm Robson, and today is my special day because I'm going for a trip with my family. So, today I'm gonna show you where I'm going to visit. So, let's check out. So, here I reach. I'm so excited to see some wonderful thing. So, till then, you keep enjoying with these beautiful greenery jungles. So this is the place that I have been waiting from long time to see. Such a beautiful place. This waterfall name is Tuisai Waterfall. It's situated in Kamalpur, Dholai district, Tripura. And I would like to tell you friends, if you come in Kamalpur, you must visit in this waterfall. It's really amazing and it feels relaxing. And see, my cousin sisters and all, they are so enjoying. So here I'm ending up. Have a great day. Peace.